Hey, and welcome to Shana and the Hook. Today we're gonna be making a snowflake. Let's start with the magic ring. I'm using this technique, but you can do in the way you like. Now let's chain 4. Double crochet in the ring and chain 2. Repeat double crochet 5 times and chain 2 between each double crochet. In the end, you should get 5 double crochet plus first 4 chains, which is our fake double crochet. Now do the slip stitch in the space. And that's how the foundation ring should look like. And now we need to chain 3. 3 double crochet in the space. And chain 3 again. Now in the next space we do 4 double crochet. And again chain 3. So pretty much we are going to have 4 double crochet in each space and 3 chains between each 4 double crochet. Then you connect last 3 chains by the slip stitch in the first 3 chains. We need to travel to the next space by doing 4 slip stitches. Now we chain 3 and slip stitch into the space. Chain 5 and slip stitch into the space. Chain 7 and slip stitch into the space. Then we chain 5 and slip stitch into the space and chain 3 and slip stitch into the space. And that's how it's going to look like. Then we repeat it for each space. To move to the next space, we need to do 4 slip stitches. And then we chain 3, slip stitch into the space, chain 5, slip stitch into the space, chain 7, slip stitch into the space, then again chain 5, slip stitch into the space and chain 3. Slip stitch into the space. And that's pretty much it. We repeat it 6 times. I used the needle to hide the ends, and this is the final result. I hope this video was useful. Please hit the like and subscribe to my channel for other tutorials. Have a wonderful day and until next time. Bye!